The start of February was so much fun for us.
Hi.
At the end of January, we celebrated this little girl's 6th birthday, and then 4 days later, it was my birthday. That same day was also the 15-year anniversary of Sweet Potato Soul, and then a couple days after that, my new cookbook, Vegan Vibes, came out. It was released. So we had a lot to celebrate, and we had a whole birthday party for this one right here. And as a vegan mom, people are constantly asking me, how do you raise a vegan child? How do you deal with social settings like parties and birthdays and things like that? And this was our party, yes, so of course it was 100% vegan, but I figured I would film the birthday party and share a little of what we did to make it fun and make sure that everybody who came felt like this was a normal birthday party for them. So we're gonna dive in. I'm gonna share what we did for the decorations, what we did for the food. Yes, it was all vegan food. And then also what we did for the fun activities, because I don't know about you, right? But for me, I got the feeling that this was like the best party ever. What do you think?
Yeah.
It was the best party? You loved it?
Yeah.
So before we dive in, what was your favorite thing about the party?
My favorite thing was that I got to make my bracelet, but it didn't fit me, so I got to make it into a choker.
Yay! So first off, let's dive in to the food. Oh, you do have my cookbook in stock? Great, thanks, bye! Have you ordered my cookbook, Vegan Vibes, yet? You're gonna love this book. It's got 100 delicious vegan recipes that are inspired by the South, by my travels all around the world, and just like good food. You know what I'm saying? Order today. This year, the theme of the birthday party was butterflies. Every year we let her choose whatever theme she wants. Previous themes have been Minnie Mouse, David Bowie, and Frozen. We're at the grocery store getting our balloons blown up. Just ordered the balloons on Amazon and have them blown up here, which is a little expensive, but it's still worth it because we get the perfect balloons, butterfly themes. They're gonna be so cute. Now the butterfly theme was perfect because the day of the party, it felt so much like spring. Got all the balloons. Now we're gonna head back and start to decorate the house. These are some of the things we're gonna put in our goodie bags. We have these butterfly straws, butterfly tattoos, Smarties, candy necklaces, take it back to the 90s, bath bombs. Here are the goodie bags. And then here in this box, we have all of the decorations that we're gonna put together today. This is a pin the tail on the butterfly. Oh, also we're gonna be decorating butterfly wands. So we're gonna take all this out today and get it all set up. We decorated our entire house with loads of butterfly decor that we found on Etsy and Amazon. And because it was at home, we just took the day before the party to fully prepare and decorate the house. That way, when we woke up in the morning, the only thing we needed to worry about was getting the food warmed up and out on the tables. Just went and picked up all the cupcakes we're gonna be serving for the party. We're also gonna make a fun little caterpillar with these muffins and some pretzels too. We're gonna have a nice little arrangement of snacks and goodies. So let's talk about the food. That's my favorite part. So for her parties, we always serve cheese pizza, but in a world of Domino's and Marco's, the hard part is finding a vegan pizza that the little kids will actually enjoy. This year, we ordered from a new vegan Italian pizzeria in town, which is called Pizza Verdura. I love their pizza, but we were not sure if the kids would. But turns out, all but 2 of the children loved it and asked for seconds. The key is to find a really simple vegan pizza that isn't too gourmet, doesn't have a lot going on. It just got to be like regular thin or thick crust with a regular stretchy vegan cheese. They won't even know it's vegan. In previous years, we've had custom cakes and cupcakes made, but the last couple of years we realized we don't need to do all that. So we just brought vegan cupcakes at Sprouts. Sprouts sells Rubicon Bakery's vegan cupcakes in a couple of flavors, and they are honestly delicious. Absolutely delicious. I love them just as much as the children do. So we got mostly vanilla, and we got their last box of chocolate cupcakes, which was perfect because some of the kids really wanted chocolate. These are vegan cupcakes, but they're not supposed to be a healthier alternative, which is great because kids who are used to eating standard non-vegan desserts really will not know the difference. We got a lot of compliments from her party guests on the cupcakes, and my niece, she didn't even think these were actually vegan. She was like, girl, these don't taste like vegan, but yes, they were.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We did not serve juice. Instead, the kids had water, which we served in tall glasses with cute little butterfly straws. How about the activities? I think we really nailed this part of the party as well. We set out the tables in the living room, each with a different craft, so that the girls could dive right into an activity when they arrived. On one table, they could make a butterfly wand. On another, they could make their own bracelet or necklace. And we had one table just for coloring with butterfly coloring pages that I found on Pinterest. The butterfly wands were definitely the most popular, though every girl did this and they did the jewelry, of course. For the wands, we cut the butterfly shapes out in cardboard, and we gave the kids an assortment of stickers, colored papers, markers, and gemstones to decorate their wands with. They made the antenna with pipe cleaner, and I glued them on the sticks that we found out in our yard to make the perfect little wand. I love being a girl mom. Girls are outside playing in the yard. This is working out so great. We also planned out a few games like pin the tail on the butterfly and statues in the garden. And because it was such a beautiful warm day, after eating their cake and pizza, we sent the girls out to the backyard for a game of toilet tag, which I had actually never heard of before, but they had so much fun playing this game and running in the sun, in the grass. It was so cute. Party was a success, so much fun. Baby J still has one friend chilling with her in her bedroom. But we are out here unwinding. Even though it was such a success and so much fun, I am tired and hungry. So we're just eating some pizza and hummus and relaxing. After the party comes the time we have to clean up. I vacuumed the whole house and now I'm about to steam clean the floors. Kitchen can wait because everything was, from the store and from the restaurant. We don't have a lot to clean up here, but the rest of the house, a little bit of work. It was truly the perfect party. I want to do them at home like this from now on if she allows it. Nobody got hurt. Nobody missed their mommy and wanted to leave in the middle of the party. Everybody was a sweet princess. It was awesome. I've got to say, I was really, really nervous about having this birthday party in our house, especially if we had bad weather and parents weren't able to leave and drop their kids off. I just imagined our house being super crowded and uncomfortable to move around, but it was totally perfect. The kids had plenty of space in the house and it was a beautiful day, so they had the entire backyard to play in as well. So I would definitely do this again. And it was even, I gotta say it was even fun for me, which I definitely was not expecting. I thought I was gonna be stressed by the end of it, but I really did have so much fun. And Baby J, she just loves having her friends over. Even if they just came over for a play date and hung out in her room, I'm sure she would have had a great time. But this was just the cherry on top of the cake. Icing on top of the cake. This was just the cherry to top it all. Whatever. So now you see, it is totally possible to raise thriving, healthy, well-socialized children who happen to be vegan. We're doing it every day. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time here on Sweet Potato Soul. Bye.